Helsteeds at home. I've not actually made a Helsteeds at home video this year. I also changed job in February and it's been pretty hectic to say the least. The only videos I've actually had time to release so far have been Microsteeds and Helsteeds adventures. So this is going to be the first one, a bit of a roundup video of what's been going on. 2 major projects in the background that have happened this year. We didn't do a huge amount of growing. Yeah, we've got a blooming 2-year-old at the end of the day and changing jobs, it's been busy. So let's just go into these 2 big projects because this is a big change.
Excellent!
And so is this. Howdy, Sheriff. Oh, isn't it, Franklin? That was close, wasn't it? Now, that stick is dangerous. Be gentle. You better run! Get him! Quick, get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Oh, he's down! He's down! What does that sound?
The all-new small penis compensator.
So this is going to be the first Helsteeds at Home episode of 2023. We're out in the garden, it's a lovely sunny day, it's spring and it's warm enough to actually crack on and get some stuff done. So we've got some major projects that we want to get on with and someone is here to help me. Who's here to help me? Sunny out here, isn't it, Franklin? It's nice and warm. Yeah, this is a Helsteeds at Home episode, Franklin. This one's not about you. But I'm sure he's going to feature heavily in it. Careful. That's Franklin's broom. This is Daddy's broom. It's a bit longer. Come on then. Let's get tied in. No, he wants Daddy's broom. He prefers Daddy's broom. He'll smack me around the face with it. That's it. I've got a big plan today and we're going to be assembling a new bit of structure in the garden and perhaps Helen and Franklin will do a spot of gardening. It is a glorious day, like a lot of cloud in the sky at the moment. We'll see. Properly spring now. We've got a lot of the spring bulbs coming out like we do every year. So Franklin has put in some posts to strengthen this fence because you can see it's very, very wonky. That's it, do your drilling.
Do your drilling, that's it. That's it. Yeah. Are you going to do yours? But no, I'm out here. Come on then, you can do yours as well.
So, one of the first things I've got to do, if we're going to increase the size of the roof, I've got to take out all the electrics that are connected. So we actually have a thermostat in here, just standard shed lights. We also have heaters and there's one underneath there as well for heating the bunny enclosures. And we've also got plug sockets, so I'm going to disable all of those. Reason being is I can't get to any of the fixings under here without all this removed, and I've got to take that off in order to lift this. One of the downsides to today is even though it's sunny, it's quite windy. So about all that lovely sunshine we're supposed to be having so that we can take the roof off the shed. And I do have a lot of wiring, and there's like a light bulb out over there. Obviously the bunnies are exposed a little bit at the moment. Not ideal.
'69, dudes!
I managed to get all the battens up despite the elements, the fight against the elements. We're actually getting a bit of sunshine now. It's going to be fun trying to put the wood on the top. What is that, Franklin? What have you got? What is that? So we now have mesh. We have mesh up. I've boarded out this whole area of the bunnies. The bunny's going to be lifted up just slightly, and I've built the very initial stages of the budgie shelter. So this is where the budgies will go. That will be perspex on there, and they can then roost in here at night time and be more sheltered. There's also a little thing here to allow them in and out, and if we want to keep them in for cleaning and stuff, they can't get through this end. So that's good. Still work in progress. So it is utter carnage today. It's the 3rd of June, and we've got a chance to do work without Franklin here. And this is also an achievement of today. Helen's been painting all this black here, and we also added this new bit of fencing on. This was installed a few weeks back as well, and the clematis is starting to grow pretty good here. It's almost reached the top. It's looking good. It's an absolutely scorching morning, and we have carried out the internal cage. So I'm closing myself in so So there is now nowhere for them to escape. Even if they did manage to break out into this area, they can't leave the shed, so they're safe, which means all that's left is to open up the door and let them in. Now I'm going to put the phone down for this bit because their safety is more important than filming.
A few moments later.
It's our big chance, man. All we gotta do is show a little class, a little sophistication.
Been a lot of activity yet. They have made it down to the first perch. Oh no, we're actually getting some now. Well done, Harry. You're very brave. Well done. Good drilling.
That's it.
Nice load of feeding stations, mirrors. That's like a little charcoal bowl. We've got some little salt lick type things, and we've got millet and little treat bells, and then there's sand, swings, cuttlefish, more those little bells, one on there, one hanging on there, salt lick. And there's funny hanging things. They're all up the top in the roosting area. They can also go through here into a warmer room.
Do I have something in my teeth?
This is Mac, and this is Zevo, and this is Woodblock.
Franklin, what's Wedge doing in Floki's cage? Is he being silly? Why is he in there? He's in the wrong place, isn't he? Are you repairing the gate? You're fixing it? Got the screwdriver out? Yeah? What other tools have you got? Do you want to fix it with the drill? That's it. This needs fixing here, I think. That's broken. That's it. Well done. That's good. It looks good. That's it. Well done. That's it. Put all those nails back in. Can't have any loose nails, can we? Is that where you store the tools? Is it in the Budlier? Is that an appropriate toolbox? You think so? Well, this is what you call a proper cowboy engineer.